Hi everyone, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Gilbert Maidangkai. That has been given. Here I will present my segment regarding the opportunities and threat from the KFC company. Opportunities and threat of KFC company. Opportunities of KFC company. Cheap menu people love. KFC offers hefty portions for a cheap price. People will always find themselves drawn to unique flavors when it's time to grab something cheap and easy for dinner. Prime time for vegetarian meals. KFC is in the prime spot to dive into the vegetarian market, although other fast food joints have ventured in. None are as committed as KFC. Still, with other healthier options like Subway, this firm will find itself fighting a tough battle. Threat of KFC company. More health consequences than ever. The public is taking health into their own hands by understanding how fast food items are made, the number of calories in each options, and saying throughout elusive at first cement liquid. It's a great stride for consumers, but makes companies like KFC nervous. High raw material costs. Raw material prices are rising. If KFC wants to remain competitive, it will need to maintain the quality consumers expect without hiking up the price of its menu. The franchise mistake, as discussed in the weakness category, the franchise management system is harmful to KFC reputations. It only takes one bad locations enters KFC into brain. So conclusions, you've likely consumed Kentucky Fried Chicken KFC at least once in your lifetime. It survived several recessions, yet remain an underdog in the fast food industry. It is struggling, but in some places it's nearly non-existent, replaced with similar brand called Mary Brown's. Perhaps this is because of the faulty franchise system, which makes it difficult to judge the quality of the brand based on how differently each restaurant is managed, or the health consequence crowd was when less greasy chicken and healthier options is dragging down the business. Still, KFC is down for the count. It's made strides in creating non-meat and vegetarian options for consumers. Thousands of locations exist all over the world to this day, and while its herbs and spice recipes still a mystery, the firm feels confident in its tasty chicken. It may not be the best, but it's still a fan favorite for many. That is all about the opportunities and threat of KFC company. If you have anything to ask me, feel free to contact me from WhatsApp. Thank you for your time and see you at the next presentations. Thank you.